sisters! So, man, got any sisters?
That's kind of weird, dude.
No, it's not weird at all. They call me the Rizzler. The, Rizzy the Pooh. The Rizzly Bear. The Rizzler of Us. And, Rizzler. No! My sunshine! Oh, I love you the